So over here, you can see that I have some designs, and sometimes what you may want to do is just view the designs and not edit them. So in that case, when you're on the home page of Prezi Design, you can click on the three dot button right here, and here you can see view is an option. And once you click on view, what happens is that it opens up the Prezi Design in view mode. So you can see that there's this view right here. You can just see the poster. This cannot be edited right now. So you can make a copy of this as well. So you can make a copy of this so that it creates another copy of the file so that you can start editing it out as well. So over here you have the like option, share option. You can embed this or report this out over here as well. And here you can see there's full screen option over here as well. So you can go around, close this out to get out of full screen as well. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to go back right here. And then let's see how we can duplicate out the files that we have in the saved area as well. So to do that, so to duplicate it, you can click on the three dot icon and simply click on make a copy. And what happens is that it makes a copy of that file for you to edit. So you can see there's two copy right here, and it has been renamed automatically as copy of template in use, as you can see. And that is how you can view designs or duplicate out the design files that you have inside of Prezi Design. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.